Okay, what's up guys, it's your guy Shapiro Acid here once again. And guys, today in this video I would like to show you something. Okay, before I continue the introduction and everything, let me just show you something. Let me just open my Telegram group. Okay, this is my Telegram group here. As you can see, Shapiro Money Gang, as you can see on the screen. Guys, I posted this picture on the Telegram group I think 3 days today. I'm very sure 3 days today that I'll be showing you how I make all those money in my account. You can see the money I have in my account. I'll be showing you all how I make all this money in my account. And guys, this is a free money that you can also make up there if you're up there. So you can also, there will be a link below this description box below. Click on this link that you join this group. Okay, when you join this group, you will be updated on everything that I do here, all the ways I used to make money online. You'll be updated. Okay guys, so and before that I would like to do small intro. Okay guys, it's your guy Shapiro Acid once again. As you can see here, guys, this is my channel. I do video about how to make money online. So if you are someone who like to make money online, guys, then I would say that this is the best channel for you that will keep you updated on the best way to make money online. And if you have a friend who also love making money online, you can share my video to your friends who all also like make money online, so that you can all make the money. As you can see, I drop videos every 2 days. Okay, sometimes I drop it daily. It depends on what I see and what is working for me. Okay guys, I don't just stand up and drop video. I'll work on a thing. When it's really working, then I'll come here and drop video about it. Okay, so I think this video I have here today is going to help you. But before that, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay guys, there will be a link below in the description box. When you click on that link, it will take you to a place that look like this. Okay, so just check the description box below. When you're here, all that you need to do is provide them with your username. Okay, real quick, your username, because that's Shapiro Acid. As you can see, I'm just providing them with my username. Now you make sure that you give them a valid email. Okay, because they will be sending you email for confirmation. So make sure that the email you're going to give it to them is working, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so guys, somebody will ask me why are they going to see this. There will be a link inside the description box below. Just click on this link, then it will bring you here automatically. Okay, so I'm just giving them my email, as you can see on the screen. Okay, now then from there you give them a password, and make sure that the password will be a password that you are going to remember. Okay, so let me just put mine there. After that, then you click on it. I'm not a robot, for them to know that okay, yeah, really a human being. Okay, so and after that, all that you need to do once again is click on it, submit. Okay, let me just, okay, I think I have problem with my email. Let me just go and fix it. Okay, I have problem with my email here. Let me just fix it real quick. Okay, then let me click on it, submit again. So make sure that all your details are correct. Okay guys, boom, as you can see guys, that this my new account that I've showed you here. You can see it's a new account that I've showed you here. Guys, I know somebody will be asking me what are we going to do here. Guys, don't worry, I'm just want to show you everything before I will tell you what you'll be doing here. Okay, so you can see this is a new account that we have opened here. So as you can see on the screen, the maximum withdrawal is what $2. Guys, it's very easy. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything to you have to know about this app, but let me just show you a few steps and a few things about this app and all those. So here you are. Now we are done with the creation, and I even show you my account inside that I make a lot of money in my account. But here you can see it's a new account that I created with you, so it's 00. Okay guys, when I click here, okay, when I click here, now let me show you something real quick. Okay, so guys, when you're here, when you're in this site, now guys, this site is a site that will help you to make money from what, just sharing applications. Okay, application that you love using most. That's what this app is going to do for you. You can see what they say was unlimited app files sharing service. So guys, the moment that, for example, I have an app, or I have a game, or I have any app at all for a Play Store, I have it. All that I need to do is I'll go there, go and download the app. When I download the app, I'll come and upload it here, and I'll share the link. Okay, when I share the link, anybody from any parts of that click on it, they will pay me for that. Okay, but the only difference they are having here is that when somebody from the top countries, which are USA, maybe Australia, and all those top countries, okay, when they click on the link, they will pay you more than the people who are I may say the lower countries. Okay, that's what the only difference that they have in this app. Guys, this app is really working. Okay, sorry, it's not an app. This site is really working, very legit. You are going to make a lot of money from it. Guys, if you want me to do full video about this app, just let me know. Okay, but for now, guys, I may say this app is very legit. Okay, if you want me to do a full video about this app, where I'm going to download a game from Play Store, I come and upload it, and where I'll show you where you can be able to share your link, or just let me know, comments below and let me know. Guys, I'm ready to apply to all messages. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long because my my research have shown that you people don't like watching long videos. So anytime I do long videos, you people don't watch. That's why I cut everything short. But if you want me to do another video about this app, showing everything that you need to know, because guys, I make a lot of money from this app. So in case you want me to do another video about this app, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be going to do everything as you all wish here. Okay, so guys, before I forget about anything too, I launched a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway, okay guys, and then I realized that the moment that somebody have seen the emojis, maybe the person have seen two, then the person commented the emojis are two, then all of you are commenting is two. So guys, what I'll be doing is that in my last video, I think I'll release another video again. That will be the last video. What I will do is that when you have seen the emoji in that video, okay, chat me on Instagram and tell me exactly where. Make sure that you keep the number where you saw the emoji. Those three, yes, it will be 3 or 4. Just test me, and those who are going to be the winner, okay, I'll come and announce it here, and I'll send the $50 to them. And I think another video will be coming out about the giveaway, about the updates on the giveaway. Okay, another video will be coming today about the updates on the giveaway. So I think that's all I have for you in this video. But in case you want a detailed video, you want me to record another video full about that particular site, okay guys, I'm ready to do it for you. Just comment below and just let me know. Okay, just comment, because I'm making a lot of money, as I show you proof earlier at the beginning of this video how much I'm making from that app. So in case you want me to do another video about that app, how it is working, how you can work with it, or any challenges at all, guys, I'm ever ready. And if you want me to do a video about how you can withdraw money from this app, that you receive money, okay, you receive real money, guys, I'm ready to do all those things for you. Okay, so if you are someone up there, if you think that what I'm doing here you really like it, like this video and also subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, to follow me on Twitter, or every social media platform with the name Shapiro Acid. And everything that you need, or every message that you send to me, guys, I'm ever ready to reply you. But sorry for those who have not been replying, okay, because I have a lot of messages on me. Guys, you can see I have over 2,000 followers on Instagram, and a lot of them chat me, but it's not all I'm going to have time for. Okay, but I promise you, no matter what, I'll get back to you. So guys, I think that's all I have for you in this video. And also there will be a video, there will be two videos. Check out the 2 videos at the end of this video. Okay, there will be a video that YouTube will recommend to you. That means they are best. That means that's why. So see you in my next video. I think I'm out.